628. Good Day Columbus starts now.
Pucker up, everybody. Valentine's Day is 1 week from today. So how do you make yourself more kissable? We couldn't turn to two better people for advice than married dentists, Dr. David and Beth Loveday. And we love your last name.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for inviting us.
Let's talk about what makes people more kissable. I guess we could start with breath.
Bad breath is a big problem.
What causes it?
Bad breath can be caused by a lot of different things. First and foremost is smoking, so quit smoking. Second, seems pretty intuitive to dentists, but maybe people don't understand that if they leave food or bacteria particles on teeth or dentures, it can create quite an odor. If it's left for very long, you can develop gingivitis and periodontal disease, which really stink.
Yeah, I don't think people realize, or, you know, your dentists always do a great job of trying to inform us, but, you know, the gums are like the gateway to the rest of the body.
Exactly.
Right? If the blood and all kinds of bacteria can cause bad things.
Exactly.
All right. And you brought some neat items here to help us out.
Okay. First, the most important things to controlling bad breath are these three items. That would be a toothbrush, dental floss, and an appointment card. And that appointment card is for an appointment for your dental treatment and to receive good dental advice. That's the three most important things. We are big fans of the electric or rotary toothbrushes. Tongue scrapers work really well. There are all kinds of interdental devices to help you clean in between teeth.
Well, let's talk about the mechanical toothbrush. Because these can be pricey versus one of these, the manual one.
This one is $20 or less.
Really?
I think we dispense them at our office.
Okay. And what are the benefits of that over this?
It actually removes plaque better.
Really?
Yes. Okay. Something about the motion and just touching the teeth more times removes more plaque.
My dentist tells me I brush too hard with this one, so I'm supposed to only use 2 fingers.
And this one will actually bind if you push too hard. So you can help control that.
Okay. And you were talking about scrapers now?
The tongue scraper, I read a study yesterday that said you can remove up to 70% more breath odor just by cleaning your tongue.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Moving along, we have a nice selection of mouthwashes.
Mouthwash?
Do these things really work?
Most of them are a temporary fix, okay? It can mask some odors. We tend to not recommend brands except in the case of this one, which is Listerine, which still proves to be the best for controlling gingivitis and plaque. I looked this week, and there seem to be about 6 or 7 different flavors of Listerine now, so there's something for everyone.
Okay, so no more of this potent.
Right.
Like, really makes you pucker.
Exactly.
Unintentionally, though.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've heard about foods to avoid. You should be brushing and flossing, very important. Scraping your tongue. Senior dentist, that's right. Moving down here is seeing some food groups that I'm starting to like. Chocolate. You know, usually you hear the dentist say, you know, hey, eat candy. What are the benefits of chocolate?
It can be a health food, believe it or not. It's wonderful. Now, there is a lot of sugar in chocolate. And as we know, sugar is one of the things that we have to have in order to get cavities. But there are some other chemicals, believe it or not, in chocolate. They're doing a study now. One chemical that they're finding in dark chocolate can actually, we think, make the enamel part of the tooth even stronger, even better than fluoride.
Wow.
And so there will be things coming from this in a few years.
Okay, we have about 10 seconds left. Want to get to teeth whitening. Can we do it in 10 seconds?
Sure.
Should you go for the strips or the in-office visit?
The strips are okay. The in-office visits are much, much better. The Zoom in Extreme Makeover, for instance, what we do is almost immediate results. Much, much better. And then the other type of the whitening trays, which take 2-3 weeks, but they do get great results as well. The strips work slower and not quite as powerful.
Wow, so there you have it. Thank you so much for coming in, helping us all get a little more kissable. Let's throw it over to Kent. Kent, I'll throw you over chocolate. How's that?
Oh, that's very nice. I'll look forward to that.